Hey everyone, today we are opening the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 14 Aura Edition. You can find the full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. Remove 4 screws to access the internal components. Use a JIS number 1 screwdriver. The captive screws stay in the panel and create a gap for easier removal. Use a thin plastic tool to release the remaining clips. Keep the tool shallow so it cannot touch the components inside. Lift the edge between the hinges, moving it upward from this bottom view. The panel is off. Before any work, disconnect the battery first. This is the single SSD slot. The processor is under the dual fan cooler. This laptop has 32 gigabytes of soldered LPDDR5X at 7467. The WWAN slot is antenna ready with cables and a thermal pad. Three screws hold the battery against its connector. Remove them to lift the battery out. Its connector is built directly into the battery. This 3-cell battery holds 58 watt-hours. Now let's remove the SSD for a closer look. One M.2 2280 slot supports 2 TB NVMe drives over PCI Express 5x4. The installed 1 TB Micron 2650 is a PCI Express 4x4 NVMe SSD with Opal security. The long thermal pad fits only full-size SSD drives. We can now reinstall the SSD and secure it. Here is another look at the empty WWAN card slot. The 2 antenna leads are already routed for an optional modem. And this is the nano SIM card slot. The wireless hardware is solid. It uses Intel's Wi-Fi 7BE211 and Bluetooth 5.4. The series reaches 64 gigabytes, no memory slots. Finally, here's the touchpad from below. We are placing the battery back into the chassis. Press it into the motherboard connector. It clicks firmly into place. Secure it by tightening the screw closest to the connector first. Then tighten the other two battery screws. That completes our look inside the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 14 Aura Edition. Visit laptopmedia.com for our thermal results, display analysis, and battery life tests. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.